Okay, I want to try continue testing with that AI mode, Google AI mode. What I want to do is add a background image. We may pick a few images to let it change as we increase in level. I want to try to get some kind of tone playing. I want it to be a kind of a classic tone, you know, like 8-bit, 16-bit games, something like that. And we can see what we got. So this is an outside assets folder. So we want to go into the rhythm and reflex, and we're going to put assets in here. New folder, assets. Inside this asset folder, let's put 2 other folders, and we're going to do backgrounds. Then we're going to do another folder directory depending on your age group, you know. This one's going to be sounds. Okay, I want to go back one, and I want to change that to capital A because it's going to give me a twitch if I don't. Okay, so let's prompt AI mode to say what we have created. Let's say, let's add to the code that we have, and let's assets folder. Inside that assets, I don't know if it's case sensitive. I don't know JavaScript. I don't know if it's case sensitive, but we're gonna try our best to keep it consistent. Inside that folder, we have backgrounds folder and a sounds folder. Let's create. Let's start there. Let's add to the code that we have these. Did it? Let's see. That should be okay. Let's get a single file. Let's see. Yes, you can keep everything embedded in image and sound. Is that direct that to using the data URL? Never mind. Let's revert that, because we want to have it look outside of our main. Animals are in the background. I don't know if you can hear them. We want it to look outside of our main folder and go into the structure here. Your game folder. So it's supposed to be rhythm reflex. Does it still call it? Yeah, rhythm reflex right there. Okay. let's see. Okay. I will add 3 images to the background folder. Those images should change over time. Okay. Okay, let's see. Background 1, PNG. Background 2, PNG. Okay. Let's find us some random images to sit in there. Let's see. Little kid. I don't know about using that. I would prefer it not to be like a person. That's all we're getting here. Do this kitten. But then we can't. Let's do it more something like this. Let's take Adobe stock image. Let's take this. Save image as. And we're going to save it to not platformer. We're going to go into Rhythm Reflex. We're going to go into assets. We're going to go into background. And we're going to save these here. We'll come back in and change them in a minute. We're going to take this one, save image as. Let's make sure it's in our save folder. It's going to be good there. And then we're going to take this. Let's take this one. Because I kind of like forest and streams. And you put your images whatever you want them to be. And we're going to save that. So now we can close out here. And we want to, we're going to save them as this background 1. So go into our folder, go in here. I think I need to lowercase these. So here, do Control B. And we're going to take off that JPEG off of there. We're going to chance it. We want to we're going to go there. We're going to chance it a second time. And then we're going to go here. And we're going to chance it a third time. Because, you know, why the hell not? I don't know if hell's too bad of a curse word or not, but it's in the video now. So, these are our images that we saved. Random images from the internet. I don't know if they need to be a certain size or whatnot, but we're going to find that out soon as we update our file. So we got those saved in there. So now we want to go in here. Let's click in there. That's all my stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the bottom. What do we got there? Okay. Scroll down to the bottom. We're going to click our save. Okay. Save the 10 milliseconds. And we're going to go into our main folder, our file that we were working with. I'm going to put that in here. We're going to save, and then we're going to go back to our main rhythm reflex folder, our HTML, and this should open. We got our game now. Wow, that's so much better. Oh, let's see, and then it transitions. Awesome. It's back to. Oh, yeah, lost. It's back to not picking the direction at the bottom of the screen. It's picking a random direction, so you can actually just hit all the keys randomly, and you're still good to go. But it's doing the thing, so that's what we wanted to. That's what we wanted to test. So for sound, let's see. What I want is some kind of an 8-bit sound, or a sound or tone. OBS told me that it was overloaded, so we'll try to keep this shorter. Let's add a background sound. Something similar to older 8-bit, older 16-bit games. Let's see. So I don't want to really do that. I want to use the. Oh, something went wrong. That is 12 minutes. It might be too long. So that's kind of. I guess I might do this next time. Try to get the sound working next time. Let's go over the code slowly so that you can see it. Alright, so we'll scroll down to about 55. Scroll down to about 109. We'll scroll down to 163. I think that it's probably the bottom of the code, this next scroll. So it'll be like 205. Okay. So if you want to try that, asset sounds, hit dot wave. So we would link it back to this file path. I'll try to find some sounds that we can put in here because I want to keep it as vanilla as possible, where you don't have libraries and bunch of other stuff going into it. But anyway, that's good for this go.